KODK stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August is Eastman Kodak stock buy. I'll be breaking all that down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Now, as the only guy in the space with a track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I have seen what's working for me and what's not. Genuinely speaking, this is not financial advice. I'm just sticking to my edge that I've refined over those 45,000 videos. And especially with Kodak, ultimate target's still going to be this top. I was just trying to catch the timing beforehand here, which actually turned out to be good, and then freaking gap down. And then I kind of abandoned the ticker. I never looked at it in a very long time. And how things are looking out now, interesting. I would still much rather wait for a little correction down and then position myself in the long rather than just trying to guess the buy. If rules are not met, or anything, that I'm not going to be buying, and all I'll be doing in the meantime. So I'll be just waiting for rules to be met. So if you do want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.